Welcome to week 2. I wanted to go over some of the things that you'll be doing this week and help you guys out. So first of all, we'll be reading chapter 2 in your book. And as always, there will always be a PowerPoint that will help you. And I'm sure you guys have already noticed, the PowerPoints really just have the key words from each of the chapters in there. It's not a replacement for doing the reading. You still need to do the reading in order to pass the quiz and to really participate in the discussion. And we'll be having a discussion this week as well. This time it's the effects on emotions. So you want to make certain that you do the reading and then you want to do the discussion. Basically, you're just going to be answering these questions. Make certain that you post by Thursday at midnight. Again, Canvas only allows one due date, so you're going to see the due date as Sunday, but your initial post is due by Thursday. And just make certain that you have a substantial reply and don't make it really short, and don't just simply say, I agree with you, that's it. If you agree with them, explain why you agree, or if you disagree, then explain why you disagree. Also, I have put you guys into smaller groups, so it's not all 35 of you in one huge discussion. So I've already done this, you don't need to do anything, but there'll be fewer of you in a group discussion now. The other thing is you're going to be doing a short paper assignment. So let's talk about that one. Really, you need to read the chapter first, and then you're essentially just answering these. So think about how one or more of these 3 factors affected your beliefs. The 3 factors are the self-interest, face-saving, or group pressure. What consequences resulted from the event? And the most important one, what beliefs you might have acquired if you had used critical thinking. And as always, all of my assignments have a rubric, so just make certain that you include all the elements. This is just a short assignment to make certain that you're doing the reading and that you can apply the reading and you can apply critical thinking to your actual life. And you'll always have exercises to do as well. These are just right out of the book, and it's the same as always. Once you've submitted all these exercises, then the answers will be revealed to you, and these are all going to be by Thursday, and then your quiz will be by Sunday. And also notice I've already had Module 3 open for you, so if you wanted to go ahead and get ahead, I'm fine with that. And you'll see that as we keep going, I'll open more modules for you. Otherwise, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, email me, and I'm happy to respond. Good luck this week.